The DRDO has successfully test-fired 2 rounds of the MRSAM missile from its integrated test range, and officials have said that the MRSAM is now ready for induction into the Indian Army. The mobile launcher can transport and launch 8 canisterized missiles that can be fired either in single mode or in ripple firing mode in a vertical firing position. Asian News International has reported that the Indian Air Force has signed a contract for the American Joint Direct Attack Munition Kits, which would help to target enemy positions with pinpoint accuracy at distances of over 80 kilometers. This means that the Indian Air Force has ordered the latest variant known as the Joint Direct Attack Munition Extended Range Kit, that has an increased range of around 80 kilometers as compared to 25 kilometers of previous variants. It is a low-cost guidance kit that converts unguided munitions into all-weather precision-guided munitions. The Ministry of Defence and Bharat Electronics Limited has concluded a 1,993 crore rupees contract for supply of advanced electronic warfare suite for fighter jets of Indian Air Force that will significantly enhance the survivability against ground-based air defence systems of the adversaries, as well as airborne fire control and surveillance radar systems. The Ministry of Defence and Bharat Electronics Limited have signed a 1,109 crore rupees contract for instrumented electronic warfare range for the Indian Air Force that will significantly enhance the capabilities of the Air Force to prepare for future warfare. The instrumented electronic warfare range will be used to test and evaluate airborne electronic warfare equipment and validate their deployment in an operational scenario. 24 enhanced Pinaka rocket systems jointly manufactured by Yantra India Limited and Munitions India Limited have been successfully test-fired, and the trials were 100% successful, and now the public sector units can compete with the private sector firm Solar Group for orders of enhanced Pinaka rocket systems. The Indian Army will soon start the user trials that will be followed by bidding for orders. Officials have confirmed that the enhanced Pinaka rockets have a range of 45 kilometers as compared to 39 kilometers of the basic Pinaka Mark I version, and similar trials have also been planned for the 75 kilometers range Pinaka guided rocket version. Ordnance factory Dumdum, which is a unit of Yantra India Limited, has flagged off the first consignment of tail unit for 500 kilograms general purpose bomb to the Indian Air Force. The 500 kilograms general purpose bomb mainly consists of a bomb body and tail unit, and it is capable to destroy an entire airport. Just ahead of Russian Foreign Minister's visit to India, the top advisor of US President Joe Biden has arrived in New Delhi today, who has been the key person leading his administration's economic sanctions on Russia. India has refused to toe the American line and has maintained its own independent strategic position. The Indian Navy has inducted an indigenous Dhruv MK-III helicopter into Southern Naval Command at Kochi. It features electro-optical suite along with advanced sensor and avionics package sensor that will prove to be a force multiplier at the Southern Naval Command. The Defense Ministry has said that it plans to procure military equipment included in both the positive indigenization lists from domestic industries in the next 5 to 7 years, that will be worth around 5 lakh crore rupees. A total of 3,343 crore rupees has been received as foreign direct investment in the defense sector since 2014, which is higher than 1,382 crore rupees between the year 2001 to 2014. Officials have said that India has enough stocks of spares and supplies in the short term, but the maintainability of Mi-17 helicopters is likely to be impacted in the medium to long term, given the dependence on Ukrainian manufacturers for key engine parts. Hindustan Aeronautics has already completed preliminary design work on the indigenous multi-role helicopter and will be developed and built under a special purpose vehicle model.